Why is my gel pulling away?
A lot of people, when they apply gel, sometimes they'll notice the gel starts to pull away. Two things could cause that. It could be maybe there wasn't adequate prep. The oils that you find in your natural nail can sometimes cause lifting. This type of shiny surface causes problems for gels because gel needs textured surface to adhere to. When the surface is too slick or it has oils in it, it causes lifting or pull away from the cuticle line, which is why we always recommend buffing. Or the other thing, it could be just that type of gel. There are gels that are anti-shrink. So when the gel cures, it has a tendency to dry, and when it dries, sometimes it shrinks up a little bit. That shrinking might just be a characteristic of that gel. Some gels do and some gels don't.